So I'm going to demonstrate how to use the automation case studies tool. This tool is going to show you where you can save time and redirect your efforts into other revenue generating tasks. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. This is the actual calculation sheet. So the first thing you'll do is you'll just put your name in. And then your hourly wage. If you leave it blank, it's just going to default to $25 an hour in its calculations. But let's say $21 an hour. Now there's several questions, and you're just going to simply go through the questionnaire and then answer them on how you do your tasks day to day. The more realistic you are in your numbers and the more accurate, the better that your calculations are going to be to show you how much time can really be saved. So how many follow-up emails do you send per day to get someone to schedule a consultation or a workshop? Let's say there's 3 of them. And how many minutes does each one take you? Let's say 4 minutes. And then you just continue down and answer those questions. That's for follow-ups. The next one is information form before consultation. So if you need to collect information on a form that you have to send out to a client and get back and then enter into your database so the attorney has that in the meeting, this is calculating how much time can be saved in processing that form. So how many information forms do you manually email each day to clients to complete prior to the consultation? How many manual follow-up emails do you send each day to get the completed information form back? And then just over here, you would say, I send 1 a day, and each one takes about 5 minutes. How many completed information forms do you manually enter into your system each day? Let's say there's 1, but it takes 20 minutes to enter all that data into the database. And then just preparing for your day. How many minutes a day do you spend looking through your tasks for you to do in your system? So you just put the minutes per day that you spend in the morning getting ready for the day. Once you have all that information entered, then you're simply going to come down here and say, let's go. This is your results report. So as you can see in follow-ups, this tells you what it's calculating. So after initial intake, that's if they don't schedule a consult or a workshop. After a workshop, to schedule or reschedule, or after a consultation to send an agreement or reschedule. After sending an agreement, to have them sign. So here you'll see how many emails per day, the average minutes per email, and this will tell you how many hours per week is spent, how many hours per month, and how many hours per year. The first line is a manual system with no automation. The second line is a fully automated system that's handling this for you. So here you can see in these 4 tasks that you would do on a regular basis in your follow-ups, you're going to save about 144 hours per year. And in this calculator for the example, used very conservative numbers. And then it's going to give you a quick summary. So John can potentially save about 145 hours or 19 full working days per year just in follow-ups. If John's wage is $21 an hour, a potential $3,036 per year in wages can be allocated to other revenue generating activities. That simply means that money that's being paid to you as an employee, you can use that time for other revenue generating tasks. And then the same is going to be with your information form before consultation. This is sending, how many you send per day, and then how many minutes per, and so on and so forth. This is the follow-up to get the form back, and then this is to enter data. So you can see there's about 238 hours a year that can be saved. And then preparing for the day. Here's your 4 things that we're looking at. In a manual system, you spend about 281 hours. In a fully automated system, it's about 43 hours per year. You're saving 238 hours. And then, of course, you'll get a summary on each section. And then you'll see a compilation here. So this is going to be John's time recovered with automations in place. So you'll see the total here. You save about 621 hours just in these 3 case studies. So John can potentially save the following time using a fully automated system: 622 hours per year, 52 hours per month, 12 hours per week, so on and so forth. And then your magic number is about 3.73 months of work time per year that you saved by having an automated system in place. We see it all the time. This isn't exorbitant numbers. Again, this is very conservative, just to make sure that it is giving you a realistic number of what you can save. And this is based on 250 working days per year, and it explains it right here. So this is the automated tool that'll really dial in how much time you're spending and the value of implementing a fully automated system.